Chat GPT. This morning we tried it out and we saw that it helped us write a C++ program. Okay. Now the reason I got to do this is because I'm not available all the time, 24/7, and I'm getting lots of queries and questions. Sir, help me with this program. Sir, help me with that program. Right? We have artificial intelligence that can help us. Let's switch this transcription off. Right. So let's see what Chat GPT can do. In order to do that, you go to Google, you look for Chat GPT. There's Chat GPT, and I've logged in before. And I'm going to say, write a C++ program to display hello world. Right, so there we go. There's my program. And it even explains to me what it does, right? So this program includes the IOStream header file, which allows input and output operations inside the main function. It uses std out, right? So we're going to take out this std. I'm going to copy that. Let's copy that. Open up my code blocks. Here's my code blocks. File, new project. Console application, C++. Let's give it a nice name. Lucky, you here? I like Lucky's name. Okay, Ashley, you here? Oh, there's Ashley here. Right, let's give Ashley's name. Ashley. And we're going to say next. And we're going to say finish. There's Ashley's program. Control A, delete everything. Control V, paste everything. Okay, so this looks rather weird. Make it look pretty. Pretty. Right. So let's take that out. Make that a comment. Delete that line. Delete that line. Delete that line. Let's make this a comment. 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 Right. So let's make this lots of comments, / star / right? So there's the program. Let's go and take this std. So we're going to say using namespace std, because that's what I taught you. And because of that, we can take out std out there. And let's compile the program. Build and run. Yay, I'm quite happy. So now I said, listen here, I've got to include the for loop. So now I'm going to go into Chat GPT, and I'm going to say, write a program, which is what I've done at the top. But this time I'm going to say use a for loop. Right, there we go. Write a program, Control V. Use a for loop and display. Write a C++ program. Use a for loop and display hello world 10 times. So there's my program. Yay, did the program, and there's my for loop. And there's my for loop. Right? So there's my for loop. Copy the program. Copy the program. Open up code blocks. Let's put this into our web. Come. Right? So I don't want this program anymore. Control A, delete. Control V. Oh, there's my new program. Let's make it look pretty again. Let's go and make it look pretty. I made that into a comment statement. Home, I don't need that anymore. Delete that line. So I'm saying using namespace std, and because I'm doing that, I gotta take out this one here, and let's take this out. Right? So I don't need that line. Let's run the program. And now it runs it 10 times. Who wrote the program? Ashley? No. Who wrote the program? Chat GPT. Chat GPT wrote the program. All right? Now, that's the for loop. Let's revise what the for loop does. The for loop says for int I equals 0, that's my starting point. I is equal to 0. I is less than 10, that means it runs 10 times, plus I. So it increases I by 1. There's my curly bracket out here, and there's my curly bracket out there. Now, you have to do a project with the Arduino. Arduino uses a while loop. So I've got to show you what the while loop does. If you need to learn about the while loop, and you don't have me because I've gone to Joburg on Wednesday, I'm not here. You go to code blocks. You go to Chat GPT. You say, Chat GPT, write a program that uses a while loop. Control C. Control V. Write a program, use a while loop. And display hello world 10 times. Okay? Cool? At the back there, come on. Right? You'll need this for the project. Right? In the iOS, IT iOS, you're writing an assessment. You have to use Arduino. Arduino uses while loop, it uses for loop, it uses arrays, it uses functions. So for you to do that, and you don't have me to help you, use ChatGPT to help you with the assignment. Okay? So, write a program that uses a while loop to display the following. Oh, wow, there's my while loop. Let's copy that. There's my program. I don't need that program anymore. I could have done another one. Ashley, let's go Ashley 2. New project, console application, C++. Let's give it a nice name like Ashley 2. Next, finish. There's Ashley 2 here. Control A, delete. Control V, paste. Oh, we don't need line number 16. Let's delete line numbers, in fact 14 as well. 14, 15, 16. Here's my program. Here's my program that uses a while loop to display hello world 10 times. So Arduino needs the while loop. You want to learn how to use the while loop? Using namespace std. Let's run the program. Let's see if it works. There's the syntax for the while loop. The syntax for the while loop. While count is less than 10, open curly brackets, C out hello world, C out or count plus plus. Right? Let's run the program. Oops, there's a mistake there. Let's delete that line. We don't need line number 4. Let's run the program. And there it prints hello world. Now, I'm here to help you with your assignment. Right? So you need to learn something about CPU scheduling. Right? Give me that assignment question. What was that assignment question this morning you gave me? For the? I don't know. I will give me the, whatever. Give it to me as a statement. Write an algorithm. W-R-I-T-E. Write an algorithm for first come of CPU scheduling. Include references. I mean, we're doing an assignment, you have to have references, right? Let's see if it'll do it. Here's an algorithm. Okay. Wow, I've got some references as well. Okay. Let's just copy that. Open up Word. And let's just paste that, and there's my assignment done. Please don't tell anybody that I showed you the shortcut method, right? Because you got to check it out, all right? Oh, 2 pages of the assignment. Oh my, that's good. Right? So there's some references as well. Go and double check what this is all about, right? Give me another assignment that you have to do. Oh, let's save this file. Save as, browse on the desktop, CPU scheduling. Right? Do you want this assignment? Do you want this assignment? Right, so let's just post this assignment. Oops, it's taking too long. All right. So I also heard that you all are studying something about convert from binary to decimal and decimal to binary. I'm in a lecture. I finish at 2. Right. So now I heard that this morning that you have to do something about convert from binary to decimal, decimal to binary. Am I right? Which subject is that? Anna? Analog and digital circuits. So let's ask Chat GPT if it can help us with that. Convert. Give me a decimal number that you want to change to binary and binary to decimal. Something that you know. Anybody knows what's 7 in binary? Lucky, I did this with you this morning. 7 in 111. Convert 7 in decimal to binary. Wow, there we go. Copy that. Right. Oh, you also want that question, huh? Yes, please keep your phone on because you need to receive my WhatsApp messages. Let's go to Chat GPT. Let's convert it the other way around. It's nice to say please as well, you know. So let's say please convert 111 in binary to decimal. Yay, that's the answer. I know that. Copy that and paste it. Right. Let's see. What else can we ask ChatGPT to do? For Arduino, you need to know about functions. So the Arduino, where's Arduino? ARDU. Right, there's Arduino. There's my Arduino app. You need to learn about Arduino. And they need you to use functions. Now, I don't have time to teach you about functions. Who do I ask? Chat GPT. See, my name is TP Governor. Chat GPT is Chat GPT. Play around with TPG, GPT. Okay, so we got to learn about functions because that's what Arduino, the project will require you to do, right? So let's ask Chat GPT. Act as a C++ programmer and write a simple program to explain functions, right? So I want ChatGPT to teach me how to create a function. Wow, look at that, look at that. Look at that. Ooh, void. You need to learn about void for the Arduino project. Let's copy this program. Let's open up my code blocks. Ashley, let's make it Ashley 3 now. Ashley, I'm making you famous, Ashley. Ashley function, right? Right, so there's right, so here's my function. And you got to do this because I'm not going to be here to help you. And you also want to become independent. Don't you want to be independent? So this will help you to become independent of me. Shh, don't make a noise. I'm recording this. Come on, you're going to come out in the recording. Right, so let's just use using namespace std. So now I can take out all this here, std. Check out this easy program. It's a void function. It's a void function to say hello. In line number 8, there's the void function, hello world. And I'm calling the function say hello. Now you'll need to know this because, shh, keep quiet at the back there. Right? You'll need to know this because your Arduino board and your Arduino programming, you'll have to learn about functions. Right? This morning, Miss Madam Chetty asked me to please show you arrays, functions, void functions, because you need to learn that for the project. All right? I said, yeah, I'm going to do it with you. But I'm not going to do it. Who did it? Chat GPT. Don't work hard, work smart. Let's run the program. There we go. It prints hello world. There's my void function. Right, let's copy that. Control A, Control C. Open up my WhatsApp. Oh, thank you, thank you. Yeah, you must keep your phone on, then you can, then I know when you're getting the message. Let's see, what are some of the limitations of Chat GPT? We tried writing a program this morning to convert from Fahrenheit to Celsius. We asked it to the volume of a cylinder. We said a simple hello program with a for loop and a while loop. All right? There are some limitations to it. For instance, if I say, who is Ashley van der Merwe, it says it's a private individual, it doesn't know it. Or it said, who is Prinavin governor, it doesn't know who that is. All right? But we're not interested in what it can't do, we're interested in what it can do. Okay? Right? So what else I told ma'am that you need to learn? She wanted me to teach arrays. What is an array in C++? You need to learn that for your assessment. So let's ask Chat GPT. What is an array in C++? Let's see what Chat GPT comes up with. An array is a data structure. Here are some key points. Right? Let's copy that. And let's paste it. What else you need to learn to learn Arduino, the Arduino board and programming? Or let's say we don't know what is Arduino Uno. Let's ask Chat GPT. What is Arduino, Arduino Uno? Yay! Arduino Uno is a popular microcontroller board based on the microcontroller input-output pins, USB connection, power out. Aha! Do you need me? You do? Ah, thank you for saying that. Oh, I thought you say you don't need me. Right, but you need me. So let's copy that. Let's open it up. Control V, there we go. Ask the question. Anybody ask the question. Please ask the question. Yeah, there you go, there you go, there you go. There you go. Ask the question. Ask the question, ask the question, ask the question, ask the question. Ask me something, anything. About C++, not life and all of that. I don't want life in general. Yeah. What else we got to learn? We got to learn the for loop, the while loop, arrays, functions before the next test. Functions is very important. By the way, you're writing the test on the 30th of April. Right, 30th April. I sent you all the date, didn't I? 2 p.m. S10 basement. Right? And you're going to get a certificate. And I want the certificate, right? And the certification you're going to get from W3 schools. Yes! By that time I will have it, right? Next week I'll be here. Right. Okay, I'll be here next week.
The arrays, is it the same as having read line and write line?
Similar. Right? But not too in-depth. I'm going to try and make it MCQ. Oh God, I can't mark. I'm marking and marking and marking. It's not stopping. All right. So let's go to let's one last program. Write a C++ program to say goodbye 10 times. Ha! Use a for loop. Aha! Here's my program. It's going to say, let's see what it says after that. Let's copy it. Open up code blocks. File, new project, console application, C++, goodbye 10 times. Here's my program. Control A, delete, Control V, paste. Home, make that into a comment statement. And there we go. Home. So let's run the program, build and run. Oops, error, delete line 11. Build and run. I'm saying goodbye 10 times. Oh, I forgot to share my screen with the students. Okay. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. Class, I'm saying goodbye. Let's run the program again. I don't think you're getting the message here. Let's run the program. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. I will not see you on Wednesday, all right, or Thursday. All right. So goodbye, 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 goodbye. All right. But I'll WhatsApp you, okay? Okay, I'll WhatsApp you when I'm on the plane and all of that, right? Okay, okay. Goodbye, goodbye. I wrote a program. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. 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 Bye. Let me write it up 100 times. I don't think they get that message. Okay, let me just do it 100 times. Goodbye. 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 I don't think you're getting the message. Okay. Goodbye. I won't see you on Wednesday. Goodbye. I will not see you on Wednesday, right? Goodbye. 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 I won't see you on Wednesday, all right? Don't be sad. Happy, please be this up. Yeah, please be this up. Which course? This one, right? And we need. Okay, I can't remember that now. But you will have a makeup test, right? It'll be after this, after the second test, right?
So
Yes.
this week that we receive our maximum test.
Now you're coming. Ask this morning. Can I do it? Or send me an email. I look for you. I have to look for your script. Maybe there was something missing or something like that, right? All right. This is. I didn't bring. I brought the other good scripts. Right. But next week, can you wait, please? Sorry. Right. I won't be here this week. Right. I'm going tomorrow. Okay. Goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye. Oh, I forgot. So all this is being recorded.
Yeah.